If you're a Taurus or know someone who is a Taurus, then this is the video for you. We're going to be studying in depth the top crystals I recommend for the first Earth sign in the astrological year. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to give us a subscribe. It would be very, very much appreciated. And without further ado, let's get on to this video. First, we're kicking off the video with looking at the basic overview of what being a Taurus means, and of course their traits. So, of course, Taurus is represented by the bull, and this sign excludes stability and reliability. With its earth element, Taurus is grounded, practical, and quite sensual, appreciating the finer things in life. It is governed by Venus, which is the planet of love and beauty. So Taurians have a deep appreciation for things like art, music, and literature, and things that are aesthetically pleasing. They have a fixed quality because they're the second sign in the middle of spring, which adds a layer of determination and persistence to their character, making them unwavering in their pursuits. In the second house, Taurus focuses on material possessions and security, and they value comfort and stability above all else. It's like having a dependable friend who knows how to enjoy life's pleasures while staying rooted in reality. The associated motto of Taurus is "I have," and it speaks volumes about their love for stability and security and aesthetic stuff. So these people thrive when they're being resourceful and productive and always making sure that they've got everything they need and everything is in its place. Taurus folks offer stability and dependability when everything else feels chaotic. But they've got their quirks too, as, you know, don't we all? Sometimes they can be a bit stubborn. Yeah, my father is. A bit too possessive and maybe a little too attached to their comfort foods in particular. On the flip side, of course, they are affectionate and patient souls who are as dependable as they come. When a Taurus sets their mind to something, they'll see it through with determination and endurance. They've got this kind of knack for bringing harmony into their lives and the lives of those around them, while all kind of keeping their practicality in check. So if you ever need a shoulder to lean on or someone to help you through a tough time, a Taurus will definitely be there for you, steady as ever. Their sign dates run from April the 21st to May the 22nd. So let's look at crystals for Taurus. So each astrological sign can discover crystals that enhance their lives uniquely. These crystals possess, distinct vibrations which allow you to select stones that align with your energy and to restore balance. So achieving equilibrium basically lets us embrace healing energies and navigate life more effectively and, in a better and more mindful way. For individuals born under the sign of Taurus, the ideal crystals resonate with their own particular grounded earth energy and provide motivation whilst preventing burnout. Additionally, they may seek stones promoting openness in the heart space and healing properties for the root chakra as well, because again, they're a very grounded, earth-centered stone then, sign. They are known for their steadfastness and occasional resistance to change, so they can therefore benefit from crystals that reinforce their protective instincts, but also create a sense of security for them, particularly, if they're going through a turbulent time, for example. Now let's get into the specifics, starting off with rose quartz. So rose quartz is, of course, the quintessential crystal for Taurus, aligning perfectly with their desire for enduring relationships, a cornerstone of this zodiac sign's values. Its influence fosters understanding, harmony, and stability in romantic bonds, therefore extending its virtues to familial, friendly, and professional connections alike. Taurus, who are known for their serene demeanour and aversion to conflict, find solace in the environments where people coexist harmoniously, that being the key word here, which is precisely the atmosphere that rose quartz creates. Of course, this crystal operates primarily with the heart chakra, so rose quartz elevates Taurus's interpersonal dynamics and creates amicable relationships with everybody. Its healing properties facilitate reconciliation, bridging divides caused by tempers, shall we say, or any frictions. This gemstone nurtures a real predisposition towards unity and understanding, qualities which are cherished by Taurus. They strive for tranquility within their social spheres, and rose quartz can basically provide that for them. Wearing rose quartz jewelry can ensure that its kind of consistent presence is with you, grounding you and harmonizing your interactions throughout the day. Now we're going to look at carnelian. So carnelian has obviously this beautiful, vibrant red color and a really dynamic energy. It ignites the kind of flow of vitality for Taurus. Its essence embodies courage and emboldens individuals to conquer fears and embrace their true selves. This is particularly beneficial for Taurus or Taurians because carnelian encourages stepping into the spotlight. Wearing a carnelian bracelet, for example, could boost motivation and endurance, qualities that are essential to Taurians, but also harnessing the potent life force it exudes, which resonates strongly with the sun sign's energy. So if your Taurus is in the sun sign, this would be a good one for you. Next up, we have blue kyanite, which is a recent discovery of mine, but it is so pretty, I really need to get some in my life because I currently don't have any. So blue kyanite is a really pretty moonstone for Taurus and serves as a catalyst for discovering and embracing your authentic voice. So by harmonizing the upper chakras, it basically empowers individuals to assert their beliefs and express themselves confidently. It's associated with the throat chakra and those above. So it is renowned for its elevated vibrational frequency. Blue kyanite not only amplifies awareness and intuitive prowess, but it also sharpens mental accuracy. So this crystal proves invaluable in navigating challenging interpersonal dynamics or when reluctance to speak up threatens to undermine personal empowerment. Moreover, imbued with like a real earthly tranquility, blue kyanite instills the courage to embark on new journeys unhindered by concerns of like other people's judgment kind of coming in and raining on your parade, basically. Its grounding influence creates a sense of assuredness and self-assuredness as well, helping Taurus to, kind of carry on doing what they're doing and embrace themselves a bit more. Now we're going to look at tiger's eye, which is the next crystal up. So tiger's eye emerges as a really great crystal for Taurus and creates prosperity, intellect, and bravery for these people. It is renowned for attracting good fortune in professional endeavors. So this gemstone channels abundance into things like work, projects, and more like entrepreneurial pursuits. So Taurus, with their keen focus on financial achievement, finds tiger's eye particularly advantageous because it enhances mental prowess and inspires innovative ideas and ensures success in these kind of ventures. Moreover, tiger's eye is also revered for dispelling fears and warding off potential threats, safeguarding individuals from negative influences and kind of any malicious intentions. It empowers Taurus to make sound investments with confidence, assuredness of fruitful returns, whilst also providing an intuitive shield against harmful energies and adverse circumstances. So this mineral serves as a beacon of like guidance for Taurus, alerting people, Taurians, to potential dangers and then prompting them to navigate away from this negativity. Its supportive energy extends to academic pursuits, instilling self-assurance and mental clarity during examinations while bolstering Taurus's courage to confront various challenges. Basically, this crystal works to create like a spiritual equilibrium and instills a sense of like contentment and self-assuredness and kind of self-confidence within Taurus, which helps them to embrace like the kind of ups and downs in life and be able to remain confident no matter what is kind of thrown their way. Next up is one of my favorites, which is smoky quartz. So this quartz is kind of related to things like harmony with nature, introspection, and cultivating inner tranquility. So its association with seeking clarity and creating a serene demeanor makes it a really good pairing for Taurus, who obviously, like kind of like the quiet and the calm, peace and love, all that kind of lovely stuff. And also they tend to be very homebody kind of people. So the earthy tones of smoky quartz resonate deeply with the energy of the home, the natural world, and obviously align therefore with Taurus and their appreciation of the house and the home. So by wearing maybe smoky quartz bracelets, Taurus individuals could carry the essence of their secret home space, wherever they go. So they always kind of feel that comfort and that protective grounding and cocoon of positive energy around them. Next up, we have selenite, which is another personal favorite of mine. So selenite boasts formidable energy and is a good ally for Taurus because it stimulates the seventh chakra. God, that's a mouthful. Stimulates the seventh chakra. And by doing that, it creates a connection with higher like realms of consciousness and creates like a spiritual, like the next spiritual step and inner connection with the earthly life. So selenite also promotes like mediumship, if that's what you're into. So enabling direct communications with, I don't know, ghosts, angels, masters, spirit guides, you know, whatever you want to call them. So by getting rid of the negative emotions, it liberates people from detrimental thoughts and emotions, and basically means that you are more able to reach out and talk to people in these different realms, which is why it's good for Taurus. It also activates the third eye chakra and brings about things like wisdom, intuition, and like a higher perception of spirituality and higher appreciation for it as well. It also enhances mental focus. Sounds like the Queen. Enhances mental focus and is great for meditating with and helping people, again, kind of reach that next level when it comes to spirituality. And finally, we have lapis lazuli. So lapis lazuli boasts like an array of healing properties, notably creating like effective communication and also helping with the expression of your ideas and your emotions and kind of expressing them in a real clear manner. So this gemstone also helps with self-assurance, and a quality that is particularly beneficial for Taurus individuals because they can be a bit shy at times. This crystal also works to bring about balance as well and instills like a sense of self-worth and harmonizing the Taurus's connection with the surrounding environment. It also acts as a good stress reliever, and Taurus people can get quite stressed if they don't stay grounded. So it could kind of help to get rid of those tensions over time. It also has protective qualities and shields against negative influences and like neutralizes harmful entities and gets rid of like any kind of lingering negativity. So again, if you're perhaps doing shadow work and you're a Taurus, this would be a great crystal to work with for that. It also works to enhance self-awareness, which is great for Taurus because again, seeking clarity in things like decision making, like they can be quite indecisive people, so this can help them to like make a concrete idea. So this heightened self-understanding positively impacts their social interactions too, and it can help them create a genuine expression and earn the trust of others through their kind of authenticity. So there we have it. Those are my top, I can't remember, is that like 7 or 8 crystal recommendations for Taurus star signs. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you are a Taurus, then I hope you have a happy birthday or have had a happy birthday. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I also have a full-on playlist about, you know, star signs and crystals, so if you aren't Taurus, then I've probably already done your star sign. We've actually got Gemini coming up next, which is my star sign, my birthday coming up soon, which is exciting. So yeah, stick around or go check out the playlist for more star signs and crystals. I hope you have a lovely rest of your day. Stay happy and blessed be.